Oh, sup YouTube, it's your boy Juice back at it again with another video. Oh, today I'm bringing you something light, something about thingy like sound selection. Yeah, just thinking to show you the importance of sound selection. If you know how to select your sounds, yeah, something will thingy turn out good before you even mix it and all that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so thingy, let's start. Got our kick. Wait, let me pull up a frequency spectrum plugin just to see how it's going. Okay, as you can see, like the kick is thingy. The lows are not thingy, really thingy. It's kind of rounded off and all that. And the highs are not really that thingy. They're not really a lot and all that, just thingy. I think I wanted to balance it with another thing, you see. So it's like the kick. Okay, as you can see, I might even thingy leave it like this or maybe EQ it later according to what I'm hearing. Then clap. Do you see where the clap is sitting? Like it's here, not even clashing with the kick and all that. It's sitting perfectly like on its own spectrum and all that like thing. It's not fighting with the kick. Okay, bring out conga. You can see it's literally thing, even though there's some highs, but like it's here. The thing like the permanent sounds are here. You see, I can maybe dip it a little bit like in the mixing process just to make it thing shine more and all that, but like I don't really want it to be shining like on the lows and all that. It's literally somewhere. Okay, load with the snare. I chose a snare which thing kinda is more like higher instead of thing being like low, midi and all that. Yeah, so it's like thingy you should have like a thingy, a goal in how thingy like you choosing your sounds and all that. You should have a goal instead of just going like thing. Sometimes you gotta go with the sound that maybe you don't really like, but like it's kind of sitting right and all that. Yeah. Okay, let's go like this. My shakers. So the shakers and the thing, these drums so far, let's see. Conga. Another conga. So yeah, you gotta give the thing this groove purpose and all that. Without thinking, it's not all about being like bassy and all that. Sometimes it's about thinking being like. Do you see where that vocal is at? It's literally here. Giving it room. If the things are hitting like maybe on the same thing, make the other one hit after the other one. If that makes sense, make the other one hit after the other one, give it room. Or maybe you might even sidechain them, but like I don't mostly sidechain. So far, you see like thing. Let me bring in the sounds like thing. Without the drums. Okay, then you see here, the highs are not really thing. Yes, they're there, but like they're not really up there. And here, you see the lows. I don't think I'll put a thing, a bass which doesn't really fight with the thing, with the main sound. I might cover it a little bit thing with an EQ just to think by. So far so good. It's a good start, you see. Okay, let's come here and see what we have here. As you can see, this one has the mids. It's mid focused, you see. Okay, then we come here. Same sound, same thing, same melody, but I think a different sound, which is kinda, yeah, kinda I think higher than the other one, just for variation. The same sound, but yeah, you just gotta be creative with it. But yeah, it's all in the sound selection. That's just thing like it's a layered sound, like I'm just bringing atmosphere into the thing, into the beat. Do you hear where the malimba's playing at and sitting at? Okay, there's another malimba, left, the other one right. And the hitting thing like it at a different time. Okay, the bass now. We're going to the bass now. Listen to the bass. And I've literally not done anything to the beats. I just made it, yeah, and decided to show you guys. I'll play the whole beat. If you would like me to show you how I mix it and all that, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, and we're out.
Hey man, the joint is the joint.